Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a Nady DW-22 dual digital wireless handheld microphone system, ultra low latency with the QPSK modulation, dual XLR, and mixed 1/4 inch output. This one's supposed to be the reliable dual digital wireless microphone system. This is easy to set up and use. The superior sound quality of digital audio and digital QPSK modulation combined with the performance and reliability of the UHF frequency range. State-of-the-art professional 48 kHz / 24-bit digital conversion for exceptional audio clarity with transparent frequency response across the entire audio range, 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The truest possible sound with the undetectably low latency, preferred for stage performance, karaoke, public address, presentation classes, or conferences. Reliable long-range operation, digital transmission virtually eliminates interference for nearby obstacles. Extended operating range up to 300 feet, line of sight. This is a dual fixed frequency wireless system. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this one is a handheld, which is a HT model because they have put the sticker right here. Microphone transmitters. They have another one is lapel LT body pack transmitters. So you'll be wearing this on your body pack or around your waist. And then there's another one which is a headset, which is a HM body pack transmitter. There's also a combo HT-LT, which is a handheld and lapel, or the combo HT-HM, handheld and headsets. So it looks pretty amazing. It has a back orange LED or LCD display. So it runs on 915.30 and 916.30 megahertz. And here are the specifications. It says up to 11 hours battery life. Let's go ahead and pop this open then. Got this styrofoam, pretty thick. And it says before connecting or operating this product, please read the enclosed manual carefully. And here's your quick start guide or owner's manual. DW-11 is a single mic, and then DW-22 is a dual mic system. This is a single receiver, and this is the dual receiver. So it uses two of the AA batteries, which is good. I don't like it when I use a 9-volt. So it comes with this 1/4 inch male adapter or cable to plug in your amplifier. And then this is the microphone. So you gotta counterclockwise to unscrew this. And then there's your battery right here. You need two of the AA battery, and it show you the 915.30 megahertz. And this one is made in China. I'm not sure it comes with the battery, probably not. It's got one mic. So this one is blue, and then it's blue on the bottom as well. And then this one is the orange color. See what's inside this box, probably the adapter for the receiver. So yeah, this is the adapter for the receiver. It's a 13.5 volt, 400 milliamp. And then this one is the receiver with the two antennas. Got two of this flex antenna. And you can turn left or right. So there's your DC input, and this is where your mic output, and then there's a B balance output, A balance output. There's your power switch right here, and then your volume control. This one is for the one on the left is for the A, and then the one on the right is for the B microphone. And you have 4 of these foam feet. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.